See, there are some really nice ones, and they're obviously well tended. Lovely one here, look with that gate on. Smashing. Feel a bit cheeky having a poke around. There's one there that's really overgrown. I think it just shows that people either don't have the time or they just don't have the inclination. Nice one here. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that one. That's a big double one, that. Another nice one there. It's the same one. Oh, there's one, there's an empty one here. A lovely big door on it, so somebody's obviously taken that one on. And they've put their own door in. That's good. Another empty one there.